Office jongka District Mission Coordinator District Unit SSS 7 Ribhoi District Nongpo kala Pynkut no ika program Jan Bhagidari Events and Activities kaba Sngi ya kabala Pinlong ha District Library Nongpo. Lawan bandon ringkat arpit upadaya Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District Kumukongsan bat kiwei ki officer jongka tenat pulih. Ha kene ka Sngi la Pinlong ika TLM Exhibition Arts and Craft World Painting Competition ha kabaka Umroi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kala yo banra arteli ha ka kerdan ka Beningkong kata ha ka TLM Exhibition bat ka Arts and Craft bat ha ka World Painting la yo ra ha ka kerdan Beningkong da ka Christian Secondary School. Habakran ha kani ka Sngi nakaliang arpit upadaya ulaong balingba kani ka program ki kena kinyo ban peni ya kisap kipong kibakidon bat nakaliang ka sorkar kan yai penlong nang ni syakmat komikini ki jaj program kenang bakan long ka jing erap bat ka jing mentoi ki kena shu ulaong ru ban nakaliang kino hikai ki dei ban hikai bha om tang hakikot henry bakin hikai ru bat ai mensi miki kena bakin nang trishitom ban peni bat ban penmi ye kisap bakidon.
When they are whatever they are reading without any understanding, it becomes meaningless. Sometimes even during the exam, students during exam they just go through by commit everything. Of course they will pass the examination, but after pass, then nothing in their mind, in their brain. When they pass any class, then whatever they have read, whatever they have studied, it gone. So this is the purpose to improve now quality education. Whatever we read, whatever we learn with understanding. That is the most important. And the objective here is also from this Nipun Bharat. Actually, Nipun Bharat may be the full form. It is National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. With a high grade of ability of reading and understanding. Its target is for especially for those young students, primary level, that at least up to grade 3, in class 3 students, they should able at least to read clearly with understanding. Maybe whatever may be the language. Maybe English, maybe the Khasi, maybe but now it is the present policy, national policy of education. It is maybe they will introduce in local language. That means for us it may be Khasi. So whatever we read, whatever you are doing, my dear student, learn it, do it with understanding. Without understanding, it becomes meaningless. So, this program, hopefully, it will carry on. Because it is not only in the district level, it will go to the state level, even maybe to national level. And the target also it is for this program. But by the year 2026 and 2027, all the students of grade 3, they should be able to read properly with understanding.
Grades on the amount of marks that we are getting from examination, no matter whatever we are learning or whatever it is getting inside the child. So I have also come from the same education system, and I know for the fact, along with several studies, that it is actually happening that we are not focusing too much on how to develop the ability in our children to understand the things, how to develop their comprehension skills. And for tackling this thing, programs like this are very important. It's required that despite from along with grades and all, we focus on actual learning. I would also request all the teachers who are present here that after this program, just try to think about it. The kind of efforts we are putting, on what thing we are focusing. Our aim is not to just make a student get good grades in schools. It is to make them develop their understanding. how their life is going to be after school. We have to prepare them for that. And that is why, the quality of education will come up only when we focus on these basic facts of the education. That is the foundational literacy and basic arithmetic skills. If you look at all the data that is coming up from the UNICE data, the NGO, I'm forgetting, that focuses on the quality of education. Our data at the national level is quite dismal. It's not that good. Although things are improving, but we need to actually focus on how and in what way we can make the system of education as a joyful process, not something which burdens the students.